Here I have REALME C25s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the connecting and sharing, personal hotspot. Here you can switch it. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your personal hotspot. You can change some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change AP band, you can make it visible or invisible to other devices. You can manage connections, like you can add devices to the block list. You can set maximum amount of allowed connections. You can set data restriction. And you can also turn off your hotspot automatically when it's inactive for 10 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.